If you want to zoom in on a photo in Photopea quickly and accurately, this video is going to make it super easy. Whether you're editing for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, or just cleaning up an image, knowing the fastest zoom methods in Photopea can save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the easiest method, keyboard shortcuts. If you want to zoom in, press Ctrl and the plus key. That will increase your zoom level right away. If you need to zoom out, press Ctrl and the minus key. This is the fastest option if you want to move in and out of your canvas without searching through menus. If you ever feel like your image is too zoomed in or too zoomed out, there are two very helpful shortcuts you should remember. Press Ctrl and 0 to fit the image to your screen. That instantly adjusts the view so you can see the full document. And if you want to jump to the actual size of the image, press Ctrl and 1. That shows the image at 100% zoom, which is really useful when checking detail and sharpness. Now let's talk about mouse and trackpad controls, because these are just as useful. If you're using a mouse, hold Alt and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in. Scroll down to zoom out. This gives you smooth control over the exact zoom level and is perfect when you want to make tiny adjustments while editing. If you're on a laptop or using a trackpad, you can use the pinch gesture instead. Pinch two fingers apart to zoom in, and pinch them together to zoom out. This feels very natural and is one of the easiest ways to move around your design without touching the keyboard too much. Another great way to zoom in on Photopea is by using the zoom tool. On your keyboard, press Z to select the zoom tool, then click on your image to zoom in. Every click brings you closer, so it's great when you want to focus on a specific area like text, edges, or small details in a photo. There's also a really handy feature called Scrubby Zoom. With the zoom tool selected, click and drag your mouse to the right to zoom in, or drag to the left to zoom out. This gives you a more fluid, controlled zoom experience. If you want to zoom out even faster while using the zoom tool, hold Alt while clicking, and Photopea will zoom out instead. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl++ to zoom in, Ctrl+- to zoom out, Ctrl+0 to fit your screen, and Ctrl+1 for actual size. You can also use Alt and the mouse wheel, trackpad pinch gestures, or the zoom tool for more precise control. Once you get used to these shortcuts, editing in Photopea becomes much faster and much easier. You'll spend less time fighting the canvas and more time actually designing. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.